Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt with V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here with Flo Motorsports brake lever and pedal, shift lever and peg for Dyna motorcycles. They look really good. There's a lot of adjustability to them. Both the brake and the shifter have 3 settings. Billet aluminum, welded, really smart design. I've used these a few times on a couple bikes with really good success. I'm putting a set on a bagger pretty soon. Really good looking stuff. Definitely looks moto for sure with the pegs. But they're really well made. They go on the bike well. Can't say enough about them. Flo Motorsports, V-Twin Visionary.